Hi, in this video, I will show you that how you can translate your LifterLMS website into Spanish language with the help of Loco Translate. It's a free plugin, so I already installed Loco Translate plugin on my website, and with this plugin, you can translate your whole website or some specific string if you want. So already I setted my website default language as a Spanish. So now I have to visit Loco Translate to translate LifterLMS. So we have to select plugins because we want to translate LifterLMS. So we have to click on LifterLMS, then new language. So from here we will choose Spanish, and from this option you can select custom or system, any of them, but I selected system. Now in this search box, we have to type for our string. So I want to translate this dashboard. So I will search for dashboard here. I have to select this and I will open Google Translate to translate this to Spanish. So I will copy it and I will paste it on my Spanish box here. Now save. Now if we visit our dashboard and refresh it, so here is the translated version. So we can translate any string we want. So now I want to show you another thing, that if I visit my courses, I will select any lesson and I want to translate this back to option. So I will copy this one and I will paste it on this search box. So here it is. So now I have to translate this. So I will translate it on Google Translator. It will only translate the text, not those percentage or any sign. We will just translate the text. So I will first copy this one and will paste here and we'll just change this back to option. We will not change any other thing here. Here it is. So now if I save it and if I visit my page and refresh it, so here is the translated version. Also, we can change this back to course, next lesson or previous lesson. You can modify, you can translate any string you want. So I want to translate this previous lesson and next lesson. So I will copy it. We will do this, follow the same process. First, I will translate it and then I will search this on that box. So here is previous lesson. I will select it and I will paste the translated version. Here it is. So we will do the same process for next lesson as well. So here is the next lesson. I will translate it and I will paste it here. So here it is now. So this is a really simple process. We can follow the same process every time. So now I will back to my dashboard and I want to change this lessons option. I want to translate this lessons option. So this lessons is from SkyPilot theme, as I am using SkyPilot theme. So now we will not search this on LifterLMS search box. We have to search it on SkyPilot. So if I search here, I will not get anything here. So I will visit SkyPilot themes and then SkyPilot. So I will choose my language. So this is how you can translate your plugins, themes, any strings you want. So here is the lessons option. So I will add the translated version here. And make sure you didn't change any percentage, dollar sign, anything. You have to just uh, change the text version. So now if I save, here it is. So now we can change this status as well. I want to change this status. So if I copy this and if I now paste it on this here, I will not get anything here. So I have to search it on LifterLMS plugin because that is coming from LifterLMS. So I have to visit LifterLMS and now I have to click on edit and I will search this here. And here is the status string. Now I have to add the translated version and save. So here is the translated option. So you can translate any string you want. And this one is really easy. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.